blessings again. I followed the path so long, I've weathered this tide, through everything carried on.